The idea of building a 72-hour emergency kit can feel overwhelming. A quick search online for information shows endless lists and expensive gear, so most people never start. It's not because people don't care, it's because the task feels too big to tackle today. But here's the truth. Something is always better than nothing. Even a simple bag with just a few items can make a real difference in an emergency. Because when stress is high, you don't rise to your plans, you fall back on what you've prepared. If you have nothing ready, you're searching, guessing, and losing valuable time. But if your bag is ready, you can grab it and go. No thinking, just action. This isn't about building the perfect kit. It's about breaking through the barrier that keeps people stuck. Because once you start, something shifts. You go from thinking to doing. So don't overthink it. Just start with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find a bag. Anything you already have will work. Step 2. Grab 3 items: a flashlight, water, and snacks. Step 3. Put everything in the bag. Now it's real. That's it. Not perfect, not complete, just enough to get started. Label it and place it somewhere easy to grab so everyone knows where it is. Help others in your family start their own kits. When they see it as important to you, they will be more motivated to have it be important for them. Now you don't just have an idea, you have a real emergency kit. And that's where momentum begins. 1 item turns into 2, then 3, then more. Preparedness isn't about fear, it's about confidence. Start small, take action, and build from there. If you want more simple drills like this, visit readywhenitcounts.com and start with the 15-minute fixes. Because preparedness doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be practiced.